NASA Astrobee Robots will launch in space this month. The free-flying robots will operate inside the International Space Station (ISS) alongside astronauts.
The International Space Station is both a research lab and a stepping stone for future trips to the Moon and Mars.
The Astrobees will replace the spheres, the current robots, and most used ISS payloads.
Fully autonomous, each 1-foot cube is packed with sensors that open up new areas of research. The Astrobees provide a zero-G research facility for guest scientists, give ground controllers additional eyes on the spacecraft, monitor radiation and air quality that help keep astronauts safe. Like a quadcopter, Astrobees fly in air, except there is no gravity on the ISS. As a result, they are not limited by lifting power. Larger payloads can attach in a tractor-trailer configuration, and multiple Astrobees can even work together.